Spencer Clegg. I am the director of FP&A at Zerorez. It's a carpet cleaning company, and I've been at Zerorez for about a year now. When you're doing financial planning and analysis for 18 different locations, it can get very repetitive. And when you're doing that in Excel, say you create something once for one location, and then you duplicate it 17 times. If you make a change to one, you have to make that same change to all 17, or just delete the other 17 and reduplicate it, right? As far as financial planning and analysis goes, we needed a tool that was going to be useful to be able to roll out financials across that many different locations. Obviously, if you stay in Excel, it's something that you're used to, and you can manipulate things how you want. But as far as repeatability goes, it's awful. We kind of saw a pretty wide spectrum of different capabilities with those tools. Some of them were very primitive. When we found Abacum, it was kind of like, this company is pretty early stage, but developed enough that the tool is already robust enough that it'll actually be useful to us. In the past, in my FP&A career, one of the struggles of doing a forecasting process over and over is that every time you do a new forecast process, you have to go back and grab the last month or two or three of actuals. When you're using a tool like Abacum, it automatically does that. I can set up a space and have it show exactly what I want it to show or what the operators want it to show, and then I can say copy content to spaces within, and it'll replicate that 18 times. To me, the business case is almost like peace of mind of saying this is all in one spot, and I'm not dealing with a million different spreadsheets and version control and all that kind of, because that's what I've done my entire career, and it can be exhausting. So I guess the time saving is a huge piece, but the fact that it's all in one place is really kind of the biggest thing, right? We have a UK entity, we have a corporate entity that's everything that's at headquarters, so we have several other entities outside of our 18 locations. So really it's 22 or 23 different P&Ls that we're looking at, right? So to be able to set up a space that shows reporting, that shows me exactly what I want to see, and then I'm able to replicate that 22 or 23 times just by the click of a button. Now all of a sudden I can share this space, I can share this location with this manager and this location with this manager, and not worry about them seeing information that they shouldn't see. So it just makes it very easy to show what I want to show to the people that I want to show it to. Instead of having 18 different Excels, I've got one instance in Abacum that I can go in and adjust the inputs for each individual location. But when I write a formula or when I create a template, it automatically replicates for each of the locations. So that has been extremely useful as you think about budgeting and forecasting for that many different locations.